Hey guys, today we are doing a craft. All you need is a sheet of paper, some tape, some kind of thing you can trace an egg with, some scissors. Remember to ask your parents help with this if you're really little. A pen, and some markers. I chose colors orange and yellow. Okay, let's get into this. So first we need the egg thing to trace with. Then you take the pen. Then you just outline it. I'll just cut it so you don't sit through the whole process. So we got this now. We have to copy that exact shape once again on this corner. Now we are going to draw whatever you want on this egg. I'm drawing a check. Only draw the face on one. Then you draw something like this if you're making a chick like I am, or draw whatever you want, whatever that can go on top of your character. Then color it all. I'll quickly cut it so you don't have to sit through the process of that. Oops, I forgot to tell you one more thing. You actually need one more thing for the final step. You need some kind of thing to stuff it with. You can use paper, or you can use cotton or something else. So you need something to stuff it with, since it's a plushie. Okay, since I'm done coloring, you need to cut it all out. If you're really young, ask your parents' help to cut all these out. By the way, you need to leave a little bit of paper left on the thing you're topping your character plushie with, because you need to fold it like this to put it on top of the plushie. Okay, now we're going to tape all these together. Well, one sec, I need to get someone to hold the camera for me. So now we take the tape and tape one of the back side of the character plushie you're making to the front side. So like this, and I just put it here. Oops. Then I need to put the other one, and only the bottom, because we're going to fill it up with any stuffing you want after. So this is it so far. Now I'll show you the rest in a part 2.